Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You will begin by verifying eligibility, because Facebook blocks frequent or policy-violating changes. Open Settings and tap Name to start editing. This first step matters. Once done, place the emoji you want into your clipboard or open an emoji keyboard so insertion is instant. You should keep your real first and last name readable to avoid rejection. Make sure to avoid symbols that mimic official titles. Proceed now to insert and format the emoji exactly where you want it in your display name. You will now insert the emoji carefully, paste or tap it between given and family names to look natural. Since Facebook enforces character limits, count characters and make sure the emoji doesn't push you past the maximum. Once pasted, review spacing and remove extra punctuation that could trigger filters. If the mobile keyboard alters emoji to text, switch to another keyboard or clipboard app. You'll learn why subtle placement reduces rejection and keeps your profile recognizable to friends. You should save the change and authenticate with your password. That submits the request for review. Once submitted, Facebook may accept or flag it. Be prepared for a brief wait. If approved, note you can't change the name again immediately. If rejected, don't panic. Remove the emoji or move it to a different position and resubmit, because minor edits often pass. One key troubleshooting tip: replace complex emoji with a single common emoji and reattempt to avoid automated filters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.